Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few super cute tops I got from Amazon. These are again full sleeved, but they are not really for the winter season. Obviously winters are gone. These are mostly for spring and the transition season. So let's say you live in a place which is not that warm yet, these are the tops you want. And if you like full sleeve tops in general, so yeah, these are all super cute, very appropriate for the season and of great quality, and they are all under 1,000 rupees. I'll mention the price on the caption and on the thumbnail so y'all will know. So if that is something that interests you, this is the video for you. But before we get into the video, I have to remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this particular video. And if you like my videos in general, consider subscribing to my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video now.
Starting off with this super cute printed top. This one has outlines of flowers in yellow printed on it, and the lilac and the yellow color goes super well together. I absolutely love the color combo. This one has shard detailing in the front and the back, so it will fit your body like a glove. The sleeves also have elastic at the bottom and on the top, so you can wear this top as is or wear it as a off the shoulder top. This top is made up of rayon. It's very comfortable, airy and breathable, very soft and smooth on the skin, not itchy at all. There are multiple ways this top can be styled. I got it in a size medium and it's very body hugging on me. I love how it fits me. At the price, it's a really good top. Next up is a super cute violet top. I was so taken in by this top because of how it looked on the model, but it looks completely different on me. It has a very deep V neck that was so very revealing on me. The buttons that it has at the very middle are openable, so you can wear this top like a jacket, like a shrug, etc. But overall, I'm not a big fan of the top, even though I really liked the color. It's made up of polyester, and even though it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, it's not the softest, and as the summer progresses, this top is not going to be something you would want to wear in Indian summers. I got it in a size medium and it fits me right except for the bust area, so this top I will be returning. Next up is this cutest floral print top. I absolutely love the style of the top. It's a peplum top. It's so very twirly. It looks so good on my body. It's not too tight. It's not very revealing. This one is made up of polyester as well, and it's very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. This is way softer on the skin than the purple one. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. I love the print, I love the color, I love the balloon sleeves. At the ends there are elastic in it. The sleeves are kind of a little see-through. Another top that can be styled in multiple different ways. At the price, it's really cute. Next up is this skinny bodycon top in this super cute burgundy color. I know burgundy is meant to be worn during the winters right now, but I love burgundy and I just want to wear it all year around. There is this little elastic on the bust that gives it this ruchid look. This top is so office siren coded. I absolutely love it. I got this one in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. It's very body hugging on me. I absolutely love the color and how it looks on me. It's made up of viscose and it's very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It's very comfortable, soft and smooth on the skin.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestions or request, comment that down below and I'll definitely try to make a video on that. And I'll see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.